Little Mind Strong Values, known as LMSV, teaches ethics and values to children through videos and animated songs and encourages children through a competition to express their values via song, dance, speech, or drama. As teachers, parents, leaders in the community, let us help our children to learn good values and build a moral society. As you can see, this is the Little Mind Strong Values website. In order to access this website, you can go on your browser, type in the URL www.lmsv.lk, and that shall direct you to the homepage of the website. So this particular website is a comprehensive website to learn everything you need to know about the program Little Mind Strong Values. Today we are focusing on how to access a song video. There are several tabs up here. You can use those to explore the website thoroughly, but we shall use this particular tab to access the songs. We have singular playlist, Tamil and English. For the time being, we are going to choose a singular playlist. As we choose, we are redirected to the YouTube page. So on the YouTube homepage, we have to our right the singular song playlist. As you can see, there are 21 songs in total for the singular song playlist. We shall select one song, Puhul Hora Karendare. So as you can see, as the song plays, you can play, pause, and skip to the beginning or the end. And at the end of every song is a message that we try to embed onto the kids who are watching this. So in this particular song, it is about, as we skip, you can see, Horakaran Nepa, Borukian Nepa is the message this particular song tells you. And you can, if you want to share this, you can click on the share button over here. You can either copy this link and it will be copied onto your clipboard, or else you can share this directly via WhatsApp, Facebook, or any other social media platform. And apart from this, if you want to go back to the other playlist that is including the Tamil videos and the English videos, you can click on our YouTube channel directly, and it will direct you to the list of videos that we have shared and uploaded onto our channel. And as you click on the playlist tab over here, you can see the singular song playlist, Tamil and English. So for English, we have only one video uploaded so far. We have 10 Tamil songs and 21 singular songs in total. And as we go forward, we're planning to translate all the singular songs into both the Tamil and English languages. And that is a comprehensive way of how you can access the LMSV website and how you can access the videos and songs according to your preference. Thank you.